We opened the Antique Mall with 70 booths in August of 2022. We had a lot of air conditioning needs, a big electrical draw, and prices for electricity are high here. So I was encouraged from an economic standpoint to see where there are alternatives. And that's when I began considering solar. Solar is an ideal method to generate electrical power, and it's non-polluting and totally renewable. A friend of mine had suggested StraightUp Solar, a company that he had done business with. So from the first person I called and talked over the phone until when people came and looked at my site, I was just increasingly impressed with the quality of people and the proposals for the work. The installation process was laid out, and I'd say everything went exactly as planned. There were no surprises or malfunctions or problems. When it was put in and functioning, people have come by and looked at my operation and wanting to know, is this something that I would recommend? And I can say unequivocally, for residential use or business use, I have recommended StraightUp Solar without hesitation, just on my experience and what I've heard from others in terms of the quality of work, the professionalism of the people who you are working with, that it is a straight up business as well. If you look at their business philosophy, it is not just driven by the buck. There's a social commitment in the philosophy of running this company, which I think is what really permeates this and makes it different from most companies. So I think without question, it is the premier provider of solar power for people in this area.